In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to utilize ChatGPT to create a basic budget tracker app using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This straightforward project will allow you to track expenses, view total expenditures, and reset data as needed. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you not only follow along, but also understand the process thoroughly. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to chat.openai.com. Here, you'll need to log in with your existing account. If you don't already have one, you may need to sign up before accessing the platform. Logging in opens the door to a host of possibilities that ChatGPT offers, especially in terms of generating code snippets quickly and accurately. Once you've logged in, focus on the chat box that appears on your screen. This is where the magic happens. Now, it's time to clearly articulate your request to ChatGPT. For our purpose today, you'll type something along the lines of, create a basic budget tracker app with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It should let me add expenses, show totals, and reset. Feel free to adjust your request if you have specific features in mind, but clarity is key to receiving useful responses. After entering your request, give ChatGPT a moment to process and generate the code. It will provide you with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code, usually starting with the front end and, if specified, back-end components. Carefully review this code to ensure it meets your expectations and covers the basic functionalities you intended. Next, we need a space to test and edit this code. Open your browser again and visit a free online code editor. Options like replit.com or glitch.com work perfectly for this task. These platforms allow you to code directly in your browser without the need for any complex software installation. At this point, you'll want to set up a new project within your chosen code editor. Once you've created a project, simply copy the code from ChatGPT and paste it into the appropriate files in your project space. Usually, you'll have separate sections or files for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Make sure you place each part of the code into its respective section, ensuring that all components work harmoniously together. After pasting the code, you can run the code editor's built-in tools to see your budget tracker app in action. At this stage, take a moment to interact with your app. Add a few expenses, observe how the totals adjust, and try resetting to ensure everything works seamlessly. Remember, the ability to view your app in real time is a valuable aspect of using these online platforms, offering insights and feedback immediately. And there you have it. You've successfully utilized ChatGPT to create and run a basic budget tracker app. Feel free to modify and expand this app as your skills grow, enhancing its functionality and appearance. I hope this guide was helpful, and see you in the next tutorial.